I'm about to show you how to redeem a Home Depot gift card and buy something with it using the Home Depot website. Of course, you can always drive to Home Depot and just use the card at the checkout there, and you'll be able to skip this whole tutorial. I'll be using a physical card, but these instructions will also work if you got a gift card code via email or some other way. If you do have a physical card, go ahead and prepare it. This whole thing is not the actual card. It's a bunch of cardboard with the card inside, so you have to tear it open to get to the card. Don't worry about tearing the card that's inside, it's made of plastic. Then go ahead and scratch off the silver stuff. There's a lot of tiny numbers, so just make sure you scratch off every little bit of the material. Now you need to pull up the Home Depot website. I'll be accessing the site using my PC, but you can also bring it up on your phone. Now, in order to buy anything using the site, you have to set up a Home Depot account. There's no way to get around it. First, look for the Me symbol and select it. On PC, it's in the top right. If you're using a phone, it'll be near the bottom of the screen. Select Sign In if you already have an account, and complete the sign-in process. If you don't have an account, select Register and complete the process of getting that set up. Once you're signed up, you need to shop and put at least one item in your cart. You'll be using the gift card when you go to checkout. So search the site for at least one item and select Add to Cart. When you're done adding items to your cart, click the cart symbol itself, then choose Checkout. Fill out the mailing information and select Continue. If you chose delivery, it may give you some options to choose from, then select Continue. Then further down, you'll need to select the words Apply a gift card. Two fields will open up. In the top field, type in only the card number, and in the second field, type in the PIN number. On the physical card, the first row of numbers is the card number, and the second row is the PIN. Ignore all the other numbers you see on the card. Do not add spaces, it'll add spaces as you type. For me, it added spacing, but it didn't match the spacing of what's on my card, but it ended up still working in the end. Once you got the numbers typed in, double check to make sure they are correct before you do anything else. If you mess up too many times in a row, it may give you a timeout. If it does look correct, click the box to prove you're not a robot. If the amount of the gift card was enough to cover the entire order, it'll tell you. If it wasn't, it'll ask for additional payment information. In that case, you can go up and fill the credit card section out that's just above, or you can add another gift card, which is what I'll do. And now it says I've covered the entire order. Note that if you did not use your entire balance on the card, it'll remember your balance and you'll be able to use it again in the future. The balance will never expire. Select Review Your Order and then select Place Order, and the process is complete.